That flawless powder finish starts not with the product, but with the brush. A dirty brush can ruin application. Proper maintenance of your powder brushes is essential for both performance and hygiene. Professionals understand that the longevity and effectiveness of these tools depend entirely on how they are cared for. Over time, brushes accumulate not just makeup residue, but also skin oils, dead cells, and environmental debris. This buildup affects how powder is picked up and distributed, leading to patchy, uneven, or cakey application. More importantly, it creates a breeding ground for bacteria, which can contribute to skin irritation and breakouts. The first step in professional brush care is establishing a consistent cleaning routine. This routine is divided into two key practices: spot cleaning after each use and deep cleaning on a regular basis. Spot cleaning is the daily maintenance that keeps your brushes ready for immediate use. It's a quick process designed to remove surface-level product without fully saturating the bristles. For this, a spray-on brush cleanser is the tool of choice. To spot clean, simply spritz the cleanser directly onto the brush head, or onto a clean, dry paper towel. Then, gently swirl the brush on the towel. You will see the makeup pigment transfer from the bristles to the paper. Continue this motion until no more color comes off. This method is fast, effective, and allows the brush to dry within minutes. It's perfect for switching between different powder shades, like a bronzer and a blush, using the same brush. It also prevents the initial layers of product buildup that make deep cleaning more difficult. While spot cleaning is crucial for daily upkeep, it doesn't replace the necessity of a thorough deep clean. Professionals typically deep clean their powder brushes at least once a week, or more frequently if they are used on multiple clients. Deep cleaning removes the oils, skin cells, and stubborn residue that spot cleaning leaves behind. For this, you'll need a gentle soap or a specialized brush shampoo and lukewarm water. Avoid using harsh detergents or dish soaps, as they can strip the natural oils from animal hair bristles, making them brittle, or damage the integrity of synthetic fibers. A gentle baby shampoo, or a mild, unscented bar soap are excellent alternatives. The technique for deep cleaning is just as important as the cleanser you use. Start by wetting the bristles under lukewarm running water. Crucially, point the brush head downwards at all times. This prevents water from seeping into the ferrule, the metal part that connects the bristles to the handle. Water inside the ferrule can dissolve the glue that holds the bristles in place, leading to shedding and ultimately ruining the brush. Apply a small amount of your chosen cleanser to the palm of your hand or onto a silicone brush cleaning mat. These mats have various textures that help to work the soap deep into the bristles for a more effective clean. Gently swirl the wet brush into the cleanser, creating a lather. You will see the accumulated makeup wash out. Rinse the brush thoroughly under lukewarm running water, again, keeping the bristles pointed down. Continue rinsing until the water runs completely clear. This is a sign that all the soap and makeup residue has been removed. Squeeze the brush head gently with your fingers or a clean towel to remove excess water. Be careful not to pull or tug on the bristles. Once the excess water is out, it's time to reshape the brush. Use your fingers to gently mold the bristles back into their original form. This step is vital for ensuring the brush maintains its shape and performance after drying. A splayed or misshapen brush will not apply powder correctly. Drying is the final and most critical phase of the deep cleaning process. Improper drying can lead to misshapen bristles and, worse, the growth of mildew inside the brush head. Never stand your brushes upright to dry in a cup or holder. This will cause the remaining water to run down into the ferrule, compromising the glue. The best method is to lay the brushes flat on a clean, dry towel with the brush heads hanging slightly over the edge of a counter or table. This allows for air to circulate all around the bristles, promoting even and efficient drying. Alternatively, you can use specialized brush drying racks that hold the brushes upside down. Allow the brushes to air dry completely, which can take anywhere from 6 to 24 hours depending on the size and density of the brush. Do not use a hairdryer or place them near a direct heat source, as this can damage the bristles and melt the glue in the ferrule. For brushes made of natural hair, such as goat or squirrel, an occasional conditioning treatment can be beneficial. Just like the hair on your head, natural bristles can become dry and scratchy over time. After washing and rinsing, you can apply a tiny amount of a lightweight hair conditioner to the bristles. Work it through gently, then rinse thoroughly. This will help to keep the bristles soft, supple, and in prime condition for a smooth, luxurious application. Be sure to rinse completely, as any leftover conditioner can affect how the brush picks up powder. This step is generally not necessary for synthetic brushes, which are less porous and not prone to drying out in the same way. The way you store your brushes also plays a significant role in their longevity. When not in use, brushes should be stored in a way that protects their shape and keeps them clean. Storing them upright in a cup or holder is ideal, as long as they are completely dry. This prevents the bristles from getting crushed or bent. For travel, use a brush roll or a dedicated case with individual slots to protect the brush heads. Tossing them loosely into a makeup bag can cause damage to the bristles and transfer bacteria. Proper storage is the final piece of the puzzle, ensuring that all the effort you put into cleaning and maintaining your brushes pays off with every use. By adopting these professional habits of regular spot cleaning, weekly deep cleaning, careful drying, and proper storage, your powder brushes will not only last for years but will also perform at their best, providing a flawless makeup application every time.